Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do shuffle combs. Now if you've done any kind of shuffle before, like an Astaire shuffle, that's going to help, but is by no means necessary. And if you've got some experience of combs, that really would be helpful. Link to some comb experience in the description below. But moving on, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, R1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's a nice easy one. From the shuffle point of view, we'll just do the footwork on its own. So all you have to do for the shuffle footwork is to step to the side and to the side to sit yourself up. Doesn't matter whether you start left or right, because the guys are going to do one, the ladies are going to do the other, but actually the technique is exactly the same. Then you go behind with the foot you're not standing on, rock back onto the front foot, and then replace where you were. So it goes hook and step, hook and step, hook and step. Now in some of the other variations of shuffles, you get extra things to do with the feet. But this is just the basic simple one. So let's have a look at the move. It goes semicircle back, two hands. We go to the left for the guys, to the right for the guys, and then we lead the first hook. So we're going to be pushing with the left hand whilst continuing to take our weight over to the right. The guys could go behind, but I'm going to say for this one to go in front, because that's going to help lead the ladies' steps. So the hook could have gone behind, but actually going across in front is good too. We're going to take the left over the lady's head to make a comb. So guys, palm up, point the fingers over the lady's head to create the arch, and you'll get a nice easy comb. We step back to the middle, recollect the hand. So this time, again, guys, we're going to go forwards as we take the hand over the ladies. The lady goes behind and back to the middle. Repeat, left over, back to the middle, and then when we go right over, this time we're going to pop our hand down, fingertips just behind the lady's shoulder, so we can lift the left hand and use the connection between the two hands to lead the lady into a return, taking the right hand out of the way in time for the lower and step back. So let's look from the other side and talk numbers. So we're going to go back, two hands, 1, we're going to go left, 2, we're going to go right, 3, we're going to comb and hook for the ladies, 4, back square 5, combing 6, back square 7, combing 8, back square 1, combing 2, into position ready to lead the return, 3, and back 4. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, shuffle, combs. It's a back, left, right, comb, come square, comb, come square, comb, come square, comb, return, and back. And that's it. Hope you like that. Hope you enjoy it. If you do like what we're doing or find it useful, then please like the videos, subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, do pop them in the comment section below, and we'll pop a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. Comes up in the last few seconds of the video in the little boxes that come up with recommendations. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.